the first example is in Drosophila wings. Example of multiple alleles is Drosophila wings. Wing shape of Drosophila. Okay, this Drosophila wings. It is a fruit flies and having the different wings. Now this phenotype and genotypes of these wings. Phenotypes or genotypes of Drosophila wings. The normal condition, the normal wings of Drosophila, the particular genotypes is a vestigial plus. Normal wings. First one, normal wings of Drosophila, vestigial plus normal wings of Drosophila. Next one, next phenotypic expression, next type of wings are produced. A single gene produce the different phenotypic expression. The normal wings produce the genotypes vestigial plus, but other nick wings produce vestigial nick. The Drosophila wings, for example, normal Drosophila wings are look like this is normal Drosophila wings vestigial plus, but other type of the wings are formed that times. The Drosophila the nick genes, nick formation of these wings produce the nick. In Drosophila flies, the wings forming the nick, and this is a nick genes are formed. Now the third types of the wings, Drosophila forming notch wings. Notched wings. The genotype is vestigial NO. Vestigial NO. The Drosophila NO produce. This is a Drosophila flies and their wings having the notch. In their wings are obtained the notch. Means this is another one characters. Means these notch wings vestigial NO. The genotype is forming the notch on the Drosophila wings. Now the next one, strap wings. Fourth one, strap wings. Strap wings, the genotypes of strap gene vestigial ST. Vestigial ST means in these strap wings, the wings is not formed. The wings are not formed. They are only the expression here. This vestigial notch, strap wings, and last one type, the mutant wings is formed. Mutant. There is no wings are formed in the Drosophila. And this is due to the mutation, the phenotypic and genotypic expression of Drosophila. A single gene forming the 5 different alleles, means multiple alleles, forming the 5 different alleles, means more than 2 alternative forms of a gene they are expressed. This is an important example of Drosophila wings. In exam question may be asked, the question 3, in Drosophila the normal wings are due to the normal wings of Drosophila, the genotype of normal wings of Drosophila. It is a vestigial plus. Normal wings of Drosophila, it is a vestigial plus. And other type of the wings are produced, means one gene, this one genes will be obtaining the different types of the alleles. It is called the multiple alleles. Okay. Next one example of multiple alleles, human blood group. Second example of multiple alleles, human blood group. There are four types of the human blood groups. Blood group A, B, AB and O. These are the four types of the human blood groups. Phenotypic expression, it is A, B, AB and O. Now their genotypic and phenotypic expression of human blood group. Phenotypes and genotypes the A, B, AB and O. O is a donor. This A forming the genotypes. The human I is a gene of blood groups are gene I, and this I indicating the genotypes IA, or produce IA and IO, IA and IO, IA and IO. Okay. B, I, B, IB, IB and IO, IA and IB, and last one IO. These are the phenotypic and genotypic expression of human blood groups. The multiple alleles, another one example is human blood groups and their genotypes. For example, the parents, the type of genotypes in the individual. Similar example may be as codominance and multiple alleles. The codominance, the type of genotypes in any blood groups, individual having any blood groups A, O, B, AB, and they are obtaining the genotypes. They are having the different genotypes. The genotypes A blood group having genotypes IA or IO. The B, the IB or IO. AB genotypes IA and IB, and O, IO and IO. Now this multiple alleles, another one example maybe as multiple alleles, the genes located at the same locus, the genes located at the same locus but having different expression, are multiple alleles, oncogenes, polygenes or codominance. The correct option, multiple alleles is a correct option. Genes located at the same locus. The multiple alleles example, the different expression means one genes having the different alleles will be obtained, different expression. For example, in Drosophila wings, another one example, human blood groups. It is an important example of multiple alleles. Okay, understand this in complete dominance, codominance and multiple alleles. It is a post-Mendelian deviation or Mendel's deviations. Okay, the deviations from Mendel's ratio having the gene interactions like intragenic interactions and intergenic interactions. The intragenic interaction includes the alleles. The interaction it is occur in the same genes, and there are some example: incomplete dominance, codominance and multiple alleles. Now the next one, the intergenic interactions. Intergenic interaction means these interactions it is occurs between alleles of a different gene. Interaction it is occurring in the different of an allelomorphic pairs. And now in this intergenic interactions it is occurring in the different genes on different chromosome. There are pleiotropic genes, polygenic inheritance, supplementary genes, complementary genes and epistasis. These are the 5 examples of intergenic interactions. Now the next one important example is pleiotropy. In the intergenic interaction, next one example it is a pleiotropy. The pleiotropy means when a single gene it is controls 2 or more different traits. A single gene is control or more different traits. A single gene, pleiotropic gene, it is example of intergenic interactions. In the intergenic interaction, when a single gene controls the 2 or more different traits. The trait means trait. It is an inherited character. Trace means inherited character. This character is transmitted from one generation to next generation. The trait means what is the first one? Different traits. The single gene controlling 2 or more different traits. Traits. What is meant by traits? Traits means it is a inherited characters. Means 1 or more characters they are expressed. A single gene they are expressed. Only one gene they are expressed 2 or more different traits, forming the 2 or more traits. Okay, and this phenomenon it is called pleiotropies or pleiotrophisms, and the ratio will be obtained 1:2 in the pleiotropic genes. Now there are having one example of pleiotropy, sickle cell anemia. It is an example of pleiotropy, sickle cell anemia. Example: sickle cell anemia. It is an example of pleiotropy. The one is a normal genes, healthy gene, and another one is a diseased gene. The one genes of sickle cell, the normal or healthy gene, the genotype is HBA, the normal gene HBA, and diseased gene, or it's showing the carriers or heterozygous HBS. It is a diseased gene is HBS. Now these two genes, the sickle cell anemia, this disease, it is causes the gene HBS, and they are produce the normal sickle cell carrier and sickle cell anemics. Now these crossing or phenotypes of sickle cell carrier is crossed with sickle cell carriers. The genotypes and F2 will be obtained. Now the example of sickle cell. Now this anemia disease forming this cell is sickle like structure, sickle cell are forming, and due to this normal shape of the cell is round, but this sickle cell anemia, that time this shape of cell is a sickle like sickle shape, and due to the deficiency of oxygen. Now there are forming the two genes. Normal genes is a HBA and our diseased gene is HBS. Sickle cell anemia, the phenotypes or parents, phenotype of sickle cell, the sickle cell carriers, sickle cell carrier cross with sickle cell carrier. The genotype of sickle cell carrier HBA and HBS cross with HBA, HBS, and they are obtaining the F2. Gametes will be obtained. Gametes are HBA, HBS, produce the two gametes HBA and HBS. The F2 generation will be counts. They obtain the two types of the gametes HBA and HBS. The crossing between these sickle cell carriers into sickle cell carriers, they are obtained the normal disease and sickle cell carriers. The first one, this one, HBA is crossed with HBA. They are forming the normal gene, means it is a normal condition. HBA is cross HBS, HBS, sickle cell carrier, sickle cell carrier, the HBS and HBA is also sickle cell carrier, and last one is obtained HBS, HBS, HBS and HBS. It is a sickle cell anemics. It is a causing the disease. Now this ratio is 1:2. So one genotype means will be formed, but this offspring will be die. HBS will be die. HBS, it is a disease gene, and this disease gene is having the sickle cell anemics disease. Now this normal 1, 2 are sickle cells. Now the phenotypes will be, phenotypic ratio will be 1:2. Phenotypic ratio 1 has 2, 2 in 1 is also, it is a sickle cell. The anemics, it is a sickle cell anemics. Now this is a pleiotrope. This pleiotrope means more than 2 alternative forms of a genes, means these one genes, they are control the different traits, they are forming the different traits will be forms, and the best example of pleiotrope is the sickle cell anemia. Now these 2 types of the genes will be obtained. This HBA is a healthy and HBS is a diseased gene. Now stop here. The multiple alleles and pleiotrope, it is a intergenic interactions. Only one example is a pleiotrope. Okay.